Hey guys, Jim from the Jim on Homes channel. So we talked about getting permits a little earlier, and we've got them all ready to go. Today's our dig day, so hopefully you'll enjoy what we got going on. One of the first things we're doing is we're trying to locate the sewer. So we know where it's marked, but on the last 3 lots I had out here, the sewer was over 30 feet off of the line. Now if it's 30 feet off on this dig, we're going to be in their yard. So hopefully we'll find it okay and get onto that step. So what we're looking for is probably some gravel and a pipe that's stuck in the ground. So he's carefully digging into the hole, looking for any kind of evidence of what is there as far as the sewer pipe. That gravel's telling us that that is where the pipe is. That pipe is the lateral. The lateral is the sewer pipe where everything from this future house is going to drain into the sewer system. They bury it under the ground and they put a stick in the ground and paint it blue, and that is how we know where to find it. Problem is that the sticks disappear, they get broken, so it's always kind of a where's Waldo situation, looking for finding where that pipe is at. And that is the mysterious sewer pipe, sewer lateral. So the good news is we've got it finally, and we are finally digging. So this house is starting to come around, and you saw how we got the permits, you saw how we got everything started, and here's the next phase. If you remember, we were digging that lateral. They brought it into where the lot's going to be. And that is what that thing is, right there. So that's how they got it into the house. They dug it up, marked it, and now they're digging the house around the lateral. The digger is scraping small amounts of dirt. The helper is actually testing it to make sure that's at the right height. And that's how they get such a flat, smooth bottom, where the next step will be the foundation. I wanted to show you what we're doing here so far. And this is going to maybe look confusing. I'm going to try to add an aerial view of what's going on here. But let me just show you what we're doing here. So here's what's going on with this stuff. Forma drain has little slits cut in it, as you can kind of see right there. That will take water inside from groundwater coming up in the basement floor, which is where we're at here. This will all be filled in with stone, so everything will be just perfect. As far as any groundwater coming up will filter through the stone, will filter into the forma drain, and then there's going to be stone on the outside as well, and it will go through that pipe, which is called a bleeder, and will end up draining into our sump crock, and we can pump it outside. These guys right here are footing pads, post pads. What they're meant to do, that'll be underneath the floor of the basement floor. And where this is and that is where posts will be in this basement. We get over here, we've got a couple more posts. But we also have a long run. And that long run of a footing is called a spread footing. So they dug the hole, they got all the former drain in, that's all set to exactly level. They'll come and pour that, they'll be putting in the stone, that'll be the next step. And these are the quality measures that we take when it comes to building a house. It used to be we would just dig a little trench in the dirt and pour the footings right into that trench and then set the walls on that. And then we'd have to dig in a drain tile system. And boy, it's just come a long ways with technology. And this is how you build a good quality, exceptional home. This marker here, again, you may remember from the last video or from earlier in this video, that is marking where the water or the sewer line is coming into the house. And the reason that we have this wire on here, that's a tracer wire. If they have to ever track out where the sewer line is, they'll energize that, and then with their equipment they can track and figure out where the pipe is going exactly. This is our driveway. We put in 3-inch stone, and you can see the depth of what we're putting it in. This will be constantly getting packed down as people pull in and out of here. And having a lot of stone and doing it right and having it compacted properly is what will make a driveway a successful driveway that doesn't end up with a lot of cracking, a lot of sinking and settling. When you build a house, this is one of those things that if I did it the other way, you wouldn't know the difference because it's something you don't see. But the telltale signs will come up sooner or later, and that's what we're trying to prevent. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that episode. Tune in for episode 3, where we're going to actually be putting in the stone, we're going to be putting in the footings, and we're going to pour the foundation and strip off the forms. So if you like this video, can you do me a favor? Click into your YouTube page, click the like button, feel free to ask any questions, and please do me a favor and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.